Alright, so we're going to get started. You should have in front of you a scoreboard in inches. You need your notes. I've condensed it so it's just two pages, and you will need to have cut from A through to E, which I've done here. And then I've just put a little post-it so that I know exactly what's what, A, B, C, and so on. And I've actually should have changed these around, because I did change them around in the notes. Okay, so A, B, C, and then all the way through to E. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to put all of them aside, excepting for A. Remember, there are two of them. I'm going to put A onto the scoreboard, and I'm going to score. I've already done this one at 6.5, 6 3/4, and 7. And I'm going to just pop it to the side and do the same on the second one. 6.5, 6 3/4, and 7. So I'm just giving it a second run through the scoreboard. Right. Then I'm picking up B, which is our two little skinny ones. They're 9 7/8 by 6 inches, and I'm going to pop the 6-inch side at the top, and on this one I'm going to score at 1.5, 1 3/4, and 2. So I'm just doing it again so it's nice and easy to fold, and I'm doing that on both of them as well. So 1.5, 1 3/4, and 2. And I'm pressing really hard because the craft is thick, so you think you can see that. Right, so I'm popping it to the side. C is just a 9 7/8 by 12-inch piece. I don't need to do anything to. And then my E has come undone. So D, I'm popping it an 8 by 8 square, and I'm going to score at 1 inch on the 8-inch side. So because it's 8 by 8, it doesn't matter which side. On D2, I'm going to score at 1 inch on the 8-inch side, and on D3, I'm going to score at 1 inch on the 8-inch side. And then finally, for number E, which is on the next page at the top, it's a 5-inch by 10 1/4 inch, and I'm putting the 10 1/4 inch side up, and I'm scoring at 1 and 9 1/4. Okay, so we've now done our cutting and we've done our scoring, and I'm going to end this video so that you can make sure that you've got as far as you need to.